Instead of mindlessly watching Reddit videos on TikTok, how about create them yourself? The people who run these pages make a decent amount of money, so if you want to stop binge watching these videos and flip the table, then keep watching because I'll teach you how to do this easily. Welcome to one of many videos where I'll teach you how to run various pages. This one is about these Reddit stories on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. They go as follows. It starts off by announcing the title,
accusing me of getting her a fake Gucci bag. So I broke up with her and now she's begging me to take her back.
with dopamine-inducing gameplay of GTA, Subway Surfer, or what I've been seeing more of lately, Minecraft parkour gameplay in the background. It's always the same one too. Then the actual story is narrated by an AI-generated voice.
She still wanted to date me and said she would make up for everything. But sadly, I didn't want to date her anymore, and told her that we should cut all contact.
Along with that, we have the image of the text. Now, these can vary. Some are just memes, and others are just funny text conversations. This brings up an important rule. Be unique. You have to change things up to stand out. Sorry for interrupting this video. I'm going to be doing a quick intermission. If you have any questions for the following video, please DM me on any of my socials and be sure to follow while you're there. Alright, we got the overview done. Now we need to start setting this up. First, let's figure out what we want to post. As I mentioned before, being unique is crucial. Posting Reddit stories like everyone else can work, but everyone is doing it already. There's going to be high competition, so try to think of something that not a lot of people are doing, or if any people are doing. Here are some examples. Twitter threads, unsolved cases, fun facts, and history stories. Those are just a few I came up with on the spot. If you want to stick with Reddit stories, then that's fine. Just add a twist so you can grow as a brand and not just some other account that's on TikTok that no one's gonna remember. Also, switching up the editing style will really help you stand out, like a lot. Whether that means how the image is shown or how the subtitles look, whatever you choose. Now, once you figure out what you want to post, let's find the actual content. For the sake of this video, I'll be doing these text conversations. I don't usually use Reddit, so I have some difficulty finding an actual subreddit that posts the kind of content I'm looking for. I was debating using another site, but they just weren't good enough. They're very unfunny. I did eventually find a subreddit that posts funny text conversations. Now, don't just pick the latest ones, go to top trending, then sort it by this month. These are the high performing ones, and we want high quality content, so obviously we're going with these. I picked out a few to make the video a decent length, and since these are images, I can't just copy and paste them on 11 Labs. I need to write them down on a Google Doc, and for my situation, I want to change the voices for person A and for person B. So I will paste them in differently and choose the respective voices. So I downloaded the images one by one, and since these were pretty long, I wasn't gonna just type it in manually into Google Doc, so I had to go to a website that extracts text from images. I copied it, put it on a Google Doc, organized it a little bit, then put it into 11 Labs, and picked the perfect voices to match each person. Alright, now that we got that done, we can move on to getting the gameplay. I'm going with something different here. No GTA 5, Subway Surfers, or Minecraft. Instead, I'm going with this game called Super Mario Maker. I found this gameplay on YouTube and just simply screen recorded it. So we have all of our resources, we just need to edit it together with CapCut. I'm sure you're all familiar with it, so I don't need to go too in depth. We'll just speedrun it from here. Start by importing your assets, make sure to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, put the audio files in the timeline first, then the gameplay, and the image. Since I have two audio files, I'm going to align them so it sounds like they're communicating with each other, if that makes sense. And once I'm done with that, it's time to reveal the text one by one.
Yes, I know, so can you please pick up something?
I don't feel like it. Just order it on the phone.
You really can't just drop by on your way home and grab a pizza?
To finish off, we're going to go on YouTube and find a suitable song to put over this. And just rinse and repeat. Although very simple, you still have to put the effort in to post at least 3 times a day and keeping your account active, whether that be just replying to comments. And for monetization, there are a few ways you can profit from this. One of them is what most of you are familiar with, the Creator Fund. If you're hoping to make money this way, don't worry about your videos being over a minute long during the start. It only matters once you're actually accepted, because any previous videos by then just won't be monetized. If that's not possible for you, then what I suggest is to grow a decent sized TikTok, like around 5K or more, and then just sell it off for a nice amount. These could go for hundreds of dollars, depending on how many views you pull. You could sell them off on sites like Reddit, Discord, but just beware and try not to get scammed. Ask for the payment first and make sure you won't get refunded. But if you have any questions, make sure to DM me. Link in the description. But for today, that's it.